Hey guys, what's going on? It's Computer Viral, and today I'm going to show you how to get Avengers fonts like this in your PC. So what you have to do is go to your browser and click on the link below and go to the site. It'll take a moment. Then you're gonna see how these fonts will be looking like. So this is how they will look like. Now we're going to download it. Download it by clicking this button. Download might take some moments. It is taking a while. So after it's downloaded, go to downloads, and it is a compressed file, so we have to extract it. So click on extract files, click OK. So as you can see, it's extracted. Now we are going to copy these files with true type font style or open type font file. We are going to copy it and paste it to Windows and Control C. Go to fonts and click on paste. Right click and click on paste. I have already installed it, so it is saying this. So it is installed now. Now I'm going to show you these fonts in Notepad. I'm going to go in formats and font. So this is the name, Avengers Heroic Avenger. Then we are going to click OK. Now this is how our fonts will be looking like. If you include any hashtag or anything like that, symbols, you will get this kind of stuff. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.